Welcome back to Asphalt 99, the home of pure driving passion. Today, we're looking at something truly special, a project that bridges the gap between two very different automotive worlds, the stately, old-world charm of classic Rolls-Royce and the silent, instantaneous thrust of modern electric propulsion. The company making this happen is Halcyon, and their work is nothing short of breathtaking. They're not just swapping engines, they are fundamentally remastering iconic cars like the Silver Shadow and the Corniche convertible. Imagine the quintessential symbol of motorroom luxury, that massive 6.75-liter V8 being replaced by a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. It's a bold move, but one that Halcyon argues is perfectly in line with Rolls-Royce's own history of pursuing smooth, refined, and quiet power. The process is meticulous. Each car undergoes a 1,000-hour-plus body restoration, bringing it to a condition that's arguably better than when it first left the factory. They even hand-make new chrome bumpers and fit modern headlights to subtly enhance the original, near-perfect design. Inside, the philosophy is one of sympathetic modernization. They preserve the classic analog dashboard and its gorgeous tactile switches, but cleverly integrate modern amenities. A high-end sound system with smartphone connectivity, climate control, cruise control, it's all there, but discreetly hidden to maintain that timeless ambiance. But let's talk about what really gets our hearts racing here at Asphalt 99, the performance. Halcyon has engineered a proprietary 800-volt electric architecture. This is serious business, allowing for incredibly fast charging speeds and efficient power delivery. The motor is mounted on the rear axle, keeping the driving dynamics pure, and it's offered in two states of tune, 400 or 500 horsepower. That's a significant jump from the original V8, and with the instant torque delivery of an electric motor, this remastered classic will be surprisingly quick off the line. We're talking about the ability to surprise a lot of modern performance cars, all while your passengers are cocooned in absolute serenity. To handle this newfound power, Halcyon doesn't just stop at the motor. They've completely re-engineered the chassis, fitting it with an active suspension system and upgraded brakes. There are three distinct driving modes: touring, spirited, and a standard drive setting. These modes adjust the throttle response and the adaptive dampers, allowing the driver to choose between a cloud-like ride, the famous Rolls-Royce's waftability, or a more engaging and dynamic driving experience. It's this attention to the overall dynamic package that truly sets this project apart. They understood that it's not enough to just make it fast. It has to feel right. It has to feel like a Rolls-Royce, but better, more responsive, and fit for the modern era. The range is also impressive for a Restomod project. With two battery options, 77 kilowatt-hours or 94 kilowatt-hours, the car can travel between 200 and 250 miles on a single charge. This makes it a thoroughly practical classic, ready for long weekend drives and grand tours, not just a garage queen. Halcyon is planning a limited run of just 60 of these unique commissions, ensuring their exclusivity. The price is around $500,000 plus the cost of a donor car. This positions it directly against Rolls-Royce's own all-electric Spectre. It's a fascinating proposition for the discerning collector. Do you go for the factory-fresh future or a piece of history meticulously remastered and future-proofed? It's a beautiful dilemma to have. Love what you're hearing? We put a ton of effort into bringing you detailed reviews on the cars that matter. If you appreciate the deep dive, hitting that like button is the best way to show your support and help our channel grow. It lets us know we're on the right track. This project by Halcyon is a masterclass in restomodding. It respects the original car's soul while elevating its performance and usability to modern standards. It's a celebration of automotive history and a bold look into its sustainable future. This is the kind of content we're passionate about on Asphalt 99. Incredible cars, fascinating engineering, and the pure joy of driving.
We go beyond the spec sheet to tell you the stories behind the machines. If you're a true car enthusiast who appreciates craftsmanship and performance, make sure you subscribe to Asphalt 99 and join our community. We have a lot more incredible stories to share. You won't regret it.